How to change your gender to male on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender to male on Deezer mobile. First then open Deezer, and here you will find settings in the top corner, and then you will find account management and then personal information. Now here you will find it, the last one, and if you want to change it to male, just click on it and select male and go back. It will be saved. And that's how to change your gender to male on Deezer mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.